Good morning, dear students. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine, beta. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss notice writing. Students, as I have told you earlier in previous lectures, that what is a notice and how to write a notice. Now, students, let's discuss some important points which we should remember while writing notice. Yes, beta. First of all, use capital letters for details such as names of organizations or we can say institutions. Then students, the entire content of the notice is placed in a box. It should be in a box, students. Then beta, it should contain only the important information. Okay, it should contain only the important relevant information and nothing else, students. Okay, students. Next, students, personal pronouns like I, we and you are not used while writing notice. Okay, avoid this I, we and you personal pronouns. Now, students, remember notice is always brief. Okay, try to write the notice within 50 words and make sure, students, you do not add any unnecessary information. Okay, then students, a suitable heading should be there, or we can say a suitable description or caption should be there. Okay, students. Now, students, let's start with the notice. You are Raj, the head boy of Satluj Public School, Rohtak. You have been asked to write a notice announcing a pencil kit found in the school playground. Write the notice in not more than 50 words announcing the find and asking the owner to claim it from the office superintendent after identifying it. And last, students, put the notice in a box. Yes, students, how to write a notice first of all? First of all, students, list the value points to be included. Then students, always prepare a rough draft first of all, and then students check grammar and style of language. Language should be simple, students. Okay, and then students ensure the word limit, that is 50 words, and then students revise it and prepare the final draft. And students, in last, put the notice in a box. Okay, students. Look, students, how to write down a notice now. Satluj Public School, Rohtak. In the very first line, students, write down the name of the institution, school's name in capital letter. Okay, write down the name of the institution or organization in capital letter with a city like Rohtak. Then, students, in the second line, write down the word notice. Okay, write down the word notice in capital letter. Then, students, write down date in a proper format. Then, in fourth line, students, write down pencil kit found. Now, what is it, students? Suitable heading for the notice. Okay, suitable heading should be there. It should be also in capital letter. Remember, students, name of institution, then word notice and heading. It should be in capital letter. Okay, beta. Then students, now come on to the body, or we can say content. What to write in a notice. It is informed to all the students that a pencil kit has been found. Which article, students? A pencil kit found. Okay, which article found? A pencil kit has been found lying unclaimed in the school playground. Where, students? In the school playground. Okay, in the school playground, it's a place. Now, students, anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it. Identify and claim it. It's the purpose of notice to identify the article and claim it. From whom, students? From the office superintendent. Okay, whom to contact? Office superintendent. superintendent. No. When, students? During recess. Okay, during recess. From the office superintendent during recess within 2 days of this notice. Next line, students. Put your signatures at RAS. Then write down in capital letter the word RAS. Then designation, that is head boy. Okay, students. Hope it's clear to you, students, now. In the very first line, write down the name of institution in capital letter. Then write down the word notice. Then date in proper format. Then pencil kit found a suitable heading. It should be in capital letter. These 3 lines should be in capital letters and date should be in a proper format. Now, students, in the body of this notice, it is informed to older students that a pencil kit has been found. Which article? Pencil kit has been found, lying unclaimed in the school playground. Where, students? In the school playground. And anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it. It's a purpose of notice, identify and claim it from the office superintendent. To whom we should contact, students? To office superintendent. And when, students? During recess within 2 days of this notice. Then put your signatures as RAS. Then your name should be in capital letter RAS. And then designation head boy or head girl. I am repeating, students. Satluj Public School, Rohtak. Notice, then date, then pencil kit found. It is informed to older students that a pencil kit has been found lying unclaimed in the school playground. Anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can identify and claim it from the office superintendent during recess within 2 days of this notice. Raj, head boy. Now, students, I hope you all have understood how to write down a notice, all the value points. I think you all have understood, students. Now, students, try this notice in your rough notebooks. Okay, try this notice in your rough notebooks. It's a heading. You are Manisha, the head girl of Hillview Public School, Solon. You have been asked to write a notice announcing a tiffin box found in the school playground. Write the notice in not more than 50 words, announcing the find and asking the owner to claim it from the head girl after identifying it. Now, students, it's the heading. Try this notice, students, in your rough notebooks. Okay, students. And students, remember some main points. That first of all, list the value points which we should include. Then, students, prepare a rough draft first of all, and then students check grammar and language, style of language. It should be simple. And then, students, ensure the word limit, that should be 50 words, and revise it. And at last, students, prepare the final draft and put the notice in a box. Okay, students, hope it's clear to you. Now, students, try this notice in your rough notebooks. That's all for today, students. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye.